video, I will show you how to finance a car with Capital One. It is very easy to do. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So for financing your car with Capital One, first you need to check your credits. So lender consider credit history and income when they decide whether to offer financing and to determine interest rate. So you first have to make sure that you have a good credit score that is above 720 to 850. So once you have determined your credit score, you have to determine how much car you can afford. So you have to figure out how expensive car you are going to purchase, and then you have to also consider the debt to income ratio, because this can also affect loan offers. So once you have determined how expensive and the price of your car, you need to find out if you are pre-qualified for the auto financing. So auto loans are available from the car dealership, banks, credit union or the other lenders. Also some lenders may let you see if you are pre-qualified for the auto finance. You can even use the auto navigator from Capital One to see in the minute if you are qualified for the financing with the no impact on your credit score. So you just have to use this auto navigator from Capital One to check if you are pre-qualified for the auto financing. Once you do that and you pre-qualify for the auto financing, you have to apply for financing. So you need, when deciding on the auto loan financing, it is important to consider all the relevant factors. For example, a trade-in could reduce the amount of financing needed. So applying for a line of credit such as the car loan can trigger a hard credit inquiry, and according to CFBP, those kind of query will affect your credit score. So for applying for financing, you need these documents. First is social security number or the individual taxpayer identification number. Then you have to give them current and previous address, employment and income information, financial and credit information. So once you have all of this information, you need to apply for the financing. So and doing research and talking to expert may help you decide what financing option makes the most sense for you. You also have to know this some auto loans terms such as the annual percentage rate APR. So this represents the price of borrowing money including fees expressed as a percentage. The higher the APR, the more the borrower will end up with the paying over the life of loan. So second term is the down payment. So this is the payment that buyer makes when purchasing the car. Generally, the larger the down payment, the less money that needed for the financing. Third is the loan term. So loan term refers to a length of on an auto loan. Total cost, this refers to how much is paid altogether for the vehicle. So you also don't forget to look at the fine print of any loan agreement. It is also important to know things like what will be the monthly payment and what's the due each month. So that is how you can finance a car with Capital One. If this video was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.